the next exercise I'm going to do, actually I'm going to check a text box whether a text box is empty or not. So I need the form, HTML form. So what I'm going to do, I'm again as usual, out of the script tag I'm going to use a form tag, okay, which is HTML. I need to give a name for the form as F1. That's great. So I need to have a method. If you, it's not mandatory, but better to indicate. I say method as post. Okay, so which means I'm passing value from this form to a web server. So I close the form tag. That's even a great thing to do because it's a practice. Not a great, actually. You need to do this. This is something mandatory. And I have a text box. Obviously, I need to have a text box. I say input type as text. Okay, text. That's a text box I'm going to have. And in front of the text I need to have values in it. I say enter your value. Okay, then I need to have a text box, a name. That's something really mandatory. Again, on JavaScript you need to name the objects. Let me run and see what is the output is look like. So you have a label with and text box. And finally I need a button. I say input type. Okay, and I say input type as, here we go, it's a button. Okay, I need to have a caption for this. Yeah, I say caption for the button. I say value. We say checked. I'm going to check something. Let me refresh one more time. Okay, you have a checkbox. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm just going to check whether this text box is empty. So okay, we are ready. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, let me refresh one more time. Okay, so I need to trigger something inside the function now. As we know, I'm checking whether this text box T1 is empty or not. For me to do that, I need a function to be triggered first. I say function my check. Okay, I use shorthand form. Open bracket for the function starting and ending the function, and I will indicate if form1 T1 dot value equal. This is something important, simple to learn. Let me tell you again one more time. X equal y means the y value will assign to x. It's assignment operator. So this is the equal sign in JavaScript, in many of the programming language. So equal means this is equal to, it is okay, the both side is equal. I say equal to empty, nothing, there's nothing in there. So then I open bracket and close bracket. Hope you can remember I did certain exercise for to put a message box. Here I'm going to put a message box. I'm not going to print anything. To put a message box, I say alert. Okay, I say alert, and inside alert I say it's empty. I say empty, and comma, save this, semicolon, bingo. Let me refresh and see what is happening now. So this will not work. Why? When I click on the button, this function has to be triggered. Again, one more thing, as we discussed this even in the early session. So I'm copying this function, and I say when in the button I say on click. On the on click, I'm calling the function. What is the function name? It is my check. Okay, let me refresh and check. Yes, when it's empty, it's empty. When I type something, it's not empty, no message will be popped up. So this is how you check whether the text box is empty by using JavaScript.